What's up, YouTube? Yo, I gotta look at mad early in here, but it's 10:30 and I have an 11 o'clock appointment and I live 45 minutes away. I just woke up. I'm late.
Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna jump right into this one with our Babyless Gold Effects trimmers. Like always, that's really what I like to use. We're gonna create us a nice arch around the ear, and we're gonna drop down below the occipital bone. Really only because it fits his head. It's not because it's a drop fade per se. I mean, that's what they call it, but we just, catering to the shape of our client's head. Other side, we meet in the back, then we flip them trimmers over, and we clean up, make us a nice clean workspace. Once we clean it all up, we'll jump in with our one guard with the lever closed, clean up all the areas you see that's dark, just lay the hair down, get that design up out of there as much as you can so you can put another one, if you're gonna put another one. In this case, he does want another design, he just don't want the same thing. Clean it all up. We're gonna set this up for a nice clean transition. Let's go. And now that we got them all cleaned up and brushed down, we'll take the guard off and open the lever all the way up. And we'll start flicking off about a half an inch right above that first line of demarcation, creating our first guideline. And we'll stay consistent all the way around the head, keeping it about a half an inch. But still, we're gonna make that arch and go all the way to the back of the head, out of the occipital bone. Then we'll take it all the way around to the next side. And always remember to brush, because the clipper does not cut 100% of the hair as it passes through. So always remember to brush. You gotta knock down everything you cut off. Make sure you get it all nice and clean. We get around to the other side, we come back with that one guard with the lever closed, and we create our second line of demarcation. We're not fading right now, we just setting ourselves up for the fade. You know what I mean? We really just putting in guidelines that we're gonna have to get out later. It's gonna create a really smooth transition. We laid the hair down with a 1. And I'm gonna go in with this 1.5 just to make sure everything's cleaned up on the top line. It'll make it way easier for me to fade all the way down and, create that smooth transition that we're looking for. We want a blurry fade. So we're gonna go in with the 1.5 and make sure we get everything. But we don't want to take off too much, and we don't want to lighten this fade up too much. We're not keeping it super dark this time, but we are, we still want to keep it nice and consistent and have a nice blurry fade. So while I was going in with this 1.5, I noticed that I had a couple of spots, all around the head that was just like a little blotchy. And so I'm gonna go back in with that 1 just to knock them down a little bit more and make sure I'm catching all the hairs. It's okay to go back, and make sure that you're giving this client the haircut they desire, make sure it look right. I even slapped the 1 on there just to catch them spots at the top, because I want this fade to be perfect, and that was out of my steps. But here I go. I'm gonna go ahead and close my lever up, and I'm gonna start working on that bottom line, the first line we put in with the liners. And as you can see, as always, I'm flicking and I'm using my corners, because I don't want one half of the blade to take off more hair than I need it to take off. So I'm flicking. And guys, don't forget, never get caught up in a fade, because you'll chase a line. And what I mean by that is, sometimes just look away from the fade, look at something else, so that you don't get trapped in that fade, because you will chase a line and you'll notice that the haircut, or the fade, will go up higher than you wanted it to. So try to get you a little distraction, walk around real quick, or just walk away from the fade. Look away from the fade. Don't look into your ring light though, it'll mess you up. We working them corners. We flicking now, we seeing out. That's what they call it in barber college, seeing out. We flicking that line out. You see it? Flicking it out. Right up to that, you know, the middle of the next line. You know, right up out of there. Alright, so we'll slap our 1/16 guard on there. We'll close it all the way up. And we're going to start flicking at that next line. We're going to try to smooth this fade out right now. Flicking at that line, making sure we're not creating another one. And making it for a smooth transition and a blurry fade. Alright, we in the groove. We getting them lines out real quick and easy. Flicking out, we making sure we not getting stuck to the head, so we gonna create new lines. And we getting it. Now we gonna go ahead and we gonna open that guard up halfway. That 1/16 up, we gonna open up halfway. And we gonna flick at that top line. We gonna start getting this fade blurry. And at the same time when we're doing this cleaning up, we flicking our level too. As you can see, you know, we going from about halfway open to all the way open just to get the lines and the spots out, so we can hurry up and get them out of our chair with a nice haircut. Now we just gonna go through and we just gonna detail this haircut. We gonna clean up all the little spots we see that we don't need, so we can make this fade blurry and we can get this design in, line them up, and get them out of our chair. Man, it's very important that you flick and use your corners. You do not want to use the entire blade, especially when you clean up spots. Just flick and use your corners. The first 3 or 4 teeth of the blade, just flick out. Now we going in with some spritz. I put it on my neck strip. I don't spray it on them. I put it on my neck strip and I use a blow dryer. Now we just start from the middle. We go to the stronger side first, so that we can match that energy with the next side. Apply will keep his head up, little cuz. Be moving around a little bit. We're gonna line them up nice and clean. Get them 90-degree angles, because that's what you need for a nice haircut. 90-degree angles is always important. After that, I'm gonna hit him with them Chicago C's, because that's what we do out here, even though I'm in Richmond Park. And I'm gonna hit him with a couple of hair fibers, a little hair fiber that I made myself. If you need any, comment down below. I will show that in another video. And after this, I'm gonna hit him with a design. I'm not even gonna show that whole thing. I'll save that for another video as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Faded family, thanks for watching.